There's something refreshing about spinning a treasured record, something you just don't get from a music app on your phone. The whole process makes you focus on the music rather than letting it fade into the background. With vinyl sales booming and records outselling CDs for the first time in decades, it's clear the format is here to stay. But to truly enjoy it, you need the right turntable. In this video, we're going over the 7 best turntables to buy in 2025 to make your vinyl experience even better. Kicking off the list, we have the Project Debut Evo 2, a turntable that delivers high-end sound without the high-end price tag. Building on the success of the Debut Carbon Evo, this model refines everything that made its predecessor great. With its premium carbon fiber tone arm and precision-engineered bearings, the Evo 2 ensures smooth, accurate tracking, bringing out the best in your vinyl collection. The DC and AC power generator keeps the speed rock solid, so your records sound as they should: warm, detailed, and immersive. Plus, the sleek design isn't just for show. Even the RCA output and power socket are neatly integrated into the plinth for a clean, minimalist look. And let's not forget the Picket MM Evo cartridge. Designed to complement the lightweight tone arm, it delivers dynamic, high-quality sound. Whether you're new to vinyl or upgrading your setup, the Debut Evo 2 is an impressive balance of performance and style. Now let's talk about today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. If you're looking for a turntable that's easy to use, sounds great, and won't break the bank, the Audio-Technica AT-LP70X is a solid pick. Audio-Technica has long been a go-to brand for vinyl beginners, and this model continues that tradition with a fully automatic belt drive system that makes playing records effortless. With the ATVM95C cartridge and J-shaped tone arm, you get clear, detailed sound without needing to fuss with setup. Just press start, sit back, and enjoy. Plus, the built-in switchable phono preamp means you can connect it directly to powered speakers or a home stereo system, whether or not it has a dedicated phono input. One of the coolest things? The cartridge is upgradable, so as you get deeper into vinyl, you can swap in a better stylus for even richer sound. For beginners or casual listeners, the AT-LP70X makes spinning records simple and enjoyable. Not every budget turntable comes with eco-friendly credentials, but the House of Marley Revolution brings sustainability into the vinyl world without sacrificing style or sound. With a bamboo plinth, recycled fabric, and post-consumer plastics, it has a premium feel that stands out from typical budget decks. Beyond the aesthetics, it's incredibly easy to use, making it a great choice for beginners. The Audio-Technica AT3600L stylus and pre-calibrated tracking force ensure smooth playback, and while the mids and treble aren't the most detailed, the overall sound is warm and enjoyable. Bluetooth connectivity means you can pair it with wireless speakers, or you can go wired for a more solid listening experience. A built-in dust cover and felt mat add convenience, keeping your records and stylus clean with minimal effort. If you're looking for an entry-level turntable that's affordable, stylish, and sustainably made, the House of Marley Revolution is a fantastic pick. True audiophile sound starts with high-quality components, and the Fluence RT85N is packed with them. From its Nagaka MP110 cartridge to its acrylic platter and high-mass MDF plinth, this turntable is designed to deliver warm, natural, and incredibly detailed playback. One of its biggest strengths is accuracy. It doesn't color the sound, letting your records shine as they were meant to be heard. The acrylic platter helps reduce vibrations, while the isolated motor and resonance damping feet keep things ultra-stable for smooth, consistent playback. Speed switching between 33 and 45 RPM is simple, and the auto-stop function is a handy touch. Setup is straightforward, thanks to the Q lever and counterweight dial. making it a solid choice whether you're upgrading or just starting your hi-fi journey. If you're after a turntable that prioritizes sound quality and precision, the Fluence RT85N won't disappoint. If you love the charm of vintage turntables but want the convenience of modern tech, the Angel's Horn AH6 is the perfect blend of both. With its sleek wooden finish and 8.6-inch tone arm, this turntable looks as good as it sounds. One of its standout features is the built-in 18-watt speakers, delivering rich, clear audio without needing external equipment. It also comes with a high-quality Audio-Technica stylus, ensuring precise tracking and a warm, detailed sound. And with dual-speed options, you can enjoy everything from classic LPs to modern pressings. For those who value smooth playback, the low distortion rate keeps your music stable and true to the original recording. Plus, with 70-watt power consumption, it's built for powerful, long-lasting performance. Whether you're a casual listener or a vinyl enthusiast, the Angel's Horn AH6 makes spinning records a joy. Technics has long been a powerhouse in the turntable world, and the SL100C is proof that they're still at the top of their game. This premium-class direct-drive turntable takes inspiration from the legendary SL1200 series, but streamlines it for audiophiles who want top-tier performance without unnecessary extras. At its core is a coreless direct-drive motor, ensuring ultra-stable, high-precision rotation with no cogging or speed irregularities. The S-shaped tone arm, a Technic signature, features a high-precision gimbal suspension, allowing for smooth, accurate tracking of your records. Plus, the aluminum die-cast chassis, reinforced with glass fiber, keeps unwanted vibrations at bay. A thoughtful addition is the auto-lifter function, which gently raises the tone arm at the end of a record to prevent unnecessary stylus and vinyl wear. Pre-installed with an Audio-Technica ATVM95C cartridge, the SL100C is ready to deliver high-fidelity sound right out of the box. Minimalist yet powerful, this turntable is all about performance and precision. Sometimes you just want to drop the needle and let the music play. No fuss, no manual adjustments. That's exactly what the Victrola Automatic is designed for. As Victrola's first fully automatic turntable, it makes listening to vinyl effortless. Just place your record on the platter, press play, and the turntable handles the rest. One of its standout features is the repeat function, letting you continuously loop a record side, perfect for parties or long listening sessions. It also comes with Vinyl Stream Bluetooth output, so you can wirelessly stream your records to Bluetooth speakers or headphones. Prefer a wired setup? The built-in switchable phono preamp and RCA outputs make it easy to connect to your existing system. With a sleek, modern design, a removable dust cover, and an Audio-Technica ATN3600L cartridge for clear, rich sound, the Victrola Automatic is all about convenience without sacrificing quality. That wraps up our list of the 7 best turntables to buy in 2025. Which turntable are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below.